Morning, everyone. So I am teacher Joseph, and I am your math teacher. So today is our 39th day of our online math class. So today we have the same topic. So that is fractions. Okay, so we have to continue the exercises that we will enter. Okay, so I want you to get your book and open it on page 63. 63. So we are in letter M. Okay. Okay, let's proceed. So in letter M, we have to express each fraction in its simplest form. So simplest form is the lowest term. Okay, so let's proceed. 6/9. So number one, 6/9. What can you divide to 6 that you can divide to 9? Okay, so what can you divide to 6 that you can divide to 9? Yes, that is 3. So 6 divided by 3. So if you divide to the numerator, you also divide to the denominator. So 6 divided by 3, the answer is 2. Right? So that is 2 over 9 divided by 3. The answer is 3. So that means number one answer is 2/3. Okay, number one, 2/3. Okay, very good. Next, number two, 5/10. What can you divide to 5? And you can also divide to 10. Divided by what? The biggest factor. That is 5. Okay, so 5. Okay, let's answer. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 10 divided by 5 is 2. Okay, so the answer for number 2 is 1/2. Okay, so that is 1/2. Next, let's go to number 3. Number 3, 4/12. So what can you divide to 4 that you can also divide to 12? Okay, so that is 4. So let's divide this by 4. We divide this by 4 also. Okay, so 4 divided by 4, the answer is 1. 12 divided by 4, the answer is, okay, so that is 3. So the answer for number 3 is 1/3. Okay, so that is 1/3. Next, let's go to number 4. In number 4, we have 7/14. So what can we divide to 7 that we can also divide to 14? That is, okay, so that is 7. Okay, so 7, then 7 also here. So 7 divided by 7, the answer is 1. Okay, so 14 divided by 7, the answer is 2. Good job. So that is the answer for number 4 is 1/2. Okay, so number 4 is 1/2. Okay, next, 4/16. What can we divide to 4 that we can also divide to 16? Okay, so that will be 4. So divided by 4, divided by 4. Okay, so 4 divided by 4 is 1. 16 divided by 4 is, yes, 4. So the answer for number 5 is 1/4. Okay, 1/4. Okay, good job. Last number. Oh, not yet. Number 6, 15/20. So what can we divide to 15 that we can also divide to 20? So we cannot divide by 15. We cannot divide by 10. So The next number will be divided by 5. Okay, so divided by 5. So 15 divided by 5, the answer is, okay, that's 3. 20 divided by 5, the answer is, okay, that is 4. So the answer for number 6 is 3/4. 3/4. Okay, so number 6, 3/4. Next, let's go to number 7. Number 7, what can we divide to 10 that we can divide to 22? Okay, so we can both divide it by 2. Okay, so 10 divided by 2, the answer is 5. Okay, good job. Then 22 divided by 2. What is the answer? Okay, so that is 11. So 5/11. So number 7, 5/11. Okay, so that is for number 7. Number 8, 8/24. So what can you divide to 8 that you can divide to 24? Divided by, okay, so that is 8 and 8 again. So 8 divided by 8, the answer is 1. 24 divided by 8, the answer is, okay, that is 3. Okay, so the answer for number 8 is 1/3. Okay, 1/3. Okay, very good. So let's go now to number 9. Number 9, what can you divide to 9 that you can also divide to 30? So we cannot divide both by 9. So what's the next number? Okay, so that is 3. So 9 divided by 3, 30 divided by 3. So 9 divided by 3, the answer is, okay, that's 3. 30 divided by 3, the answer is, okay, 10. So number 9 answer is 3/10. Okay, 3/10. Okay, that is for number 9. Okay, then last number, number 10. 30, 30, 35. Okay, so what can you divide to 30 that you can also divide to 35? So that is, okay, that is 5. Okay, so 30 divided by 5. What is the answer? Okay, so that is 6. 35 divided by 5. The answer is, okay, that is 7. So the answer for number 10 is 6/7. Again, 6/7. Okay, so that's it for letter M. Now, let's go to letter N. So, letter N, we have to add or subtract, plus or minus. So, open your books on page 64. 64. Okay, so let's go now to number 1. Number 1, we have 1/6 plus 3/6. So when you add fraction, remember that if they have the same denominator, so the denominator is the number below. If they have the same denominator, you can already add and subtract the numerator. So just like what you did when you add or subtract whole numbers, so it is the same answer, but you have to copy the denominator. So how to do that? Okay, 1 plus 3, that is 4, right? So the answer will be 4/6 because you just copy the denominator, or you can answer 2/3. Why? Because when you answer fractions, you can answer in lowest term also. So 4 divided by 2, the answer is 2. 6 divided by 2, the answer is 3. So if you answer 4/6, that is okay. That is correct. But if you answer 2/3, that is also correct. So depends on you what you will answer. Next, number 2, we have 4/7 plus 1/7. So 4 plus 1, the answer is 4 plus 1. Okay, that is 5. Then copy the denominator, 7. So number 2, 5/7. Okay, very good. Next, let's go to number 3. Number 3, 3/8 plus 4/8. Okay, quickly. 3 plus 4. 3 plus 4, that is? Okay, 7/8. You just copy the denominator. 7/8. Okay, next, number 4. 4/5 minus 2/5. So this is already minus. So let's minus. 4 minus 2. What is the answer? Okay, so that is 2. So 2/5. You copy again the denominator. Okay, 2/5. Okay, so 2/5. So 2/5 or 2/5. Next, number 5. 7/9 minus 3/9. So 7 minus 4. What is the answer? I mean 7 minus 3. So 7 minus 3, you take away 3. So the remaining is 1, 2, 3, 4. So that will be 4/9. Okay, so copy the denominator, 4/9. Number 6, 11/12 minus 5/12. So what will be the answer? So you have 11, then you take away 5. So how many is the remaining? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the remaining is 6/12 or 1/2, because you can divide 6 by 6. So that is 1. 12 divided by 6 is 2. So any answer will do, 6/12 or 1/2. Okay. Okay, let's proceed to letter O. In letter O, we have to find the result. So either we add or we subtract. Okay, let's proceed. Number 1, 3/11 plus 5/11. Just add 3 plus 5, that is 8/11. Next, 7/13 plus 6/13. Okay, what's the answer? Okay, so 7 plus 6, that is 13/13. Okay, so 13/13 or 1. Because if the numerator and denominator is the same, the answer will be 1. Okay, any number. 1,000/1,000, that is still 1. Okay, number 3. 9/15 plus 2/15. So 9 plus 2, the answer is 11. 11/15. Next, 11 plus 7. The answer is, okay, 18/24. But you can divide this by 6. So 18 divided by 6, the answer is 3. 24 divided by 6, the answer is 4. So you can answer 18/24 or 3/4 or 3/4. Okay, number 5. 10/13 minus 5/13. So 10 minus 5, the answer is, okay, so that is 5/13. Very good. Next, 15/17 minus 9/17. So 15 minus 9, the answer is, okay, so that is 6/17. Okay, next, 18 minus 12 or 18/20 minus 12/20. So 18 minus 12 is 6/20, or you can divide this by 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 20 divided by 2, that is 10. So any answer will do. If you answer 620, that is already correct. But you can answer on also in lowest term. Okay, the number 8, 1625 minus 425. So 16 minus 4, the answer is, okay, so that is 12 over 25. So that is already the answer. Number 9, 30, 32 minus 23, 32. What's the answer? So 30 minus 23 is 7 over 32. So that is the answer. Number 10, 2940 minus 1440. So 29 minus 14, the answer is, okay, so that is 15 over 40. That okay, then you can divide this by 5. So 15 divided by 5, the answer is 3. 40 divided by 5, the answer is 8. Okay, so you have two answers, but you can only choose one. Depends on you. Or you can copy the two. Okay, that is still correct. Very good. Last exercise, letter P. In letter P, we have to solve the following and show the working. So we have to show how did we solve the problem. So that is on page 65. 65. Okay. Number 1, 1/5 plus 3/5. So when you solve that, same denominator, then you add 1 plus 3. So 1 plus 3, the answer is, okay, 4/5. Okay, so that is the answer. Okay, so the only difference is you have to show the working. So you have to copy. Okay. Next, 4/7 plus 2/7. Copy the denominator. Then you add 4 plus 2. So what's the answer? 4 plus 2. That is, okay. So that is 6/7. So that is also the answer. 6/7. Okay. Number 3. Number 3, we have 4/10 plus 5/10. So copy the denominator 10, then you add 4 plus 5. So 4 plus 5, the answer is, okay, so that is 9. 9 over 10. So that is also the answer. 9/10. Next, number 4. 17/18 minus 15/18. Okay, copy the denominator of 18, then you minus 17 minus 15. The answer is, okay, so that is 2. But you can also do it in lowest term. So you divide this by 2. 2 divided by 2, that is 1. 18 divided by 2, that is 9. So the answer is, depends on you, that is or. So you can answer 2/18 or you can answer 1/9. Okay, both are the correct answers. Okay, number 5. Number 5, we have 15/23 minus 9/23. Okay, so copy the denominator of 23, then 15 minus 9. So what is 15 minus 9? That is 6/23. Okay, so that is also the answer. Okay, so last problem. So 34 over 34 minus 17 over 34. So copy the denominator of 34. So 34 minus 17. What is the answer? Okay, it is still 17 over 34. But you can divide this by 17. So 17 divided by 17, that is 1. 34 divided by 17, that is 2. So the answer for number 6 is 17 over 34 or 1/2. Okay, so we are finished with addition and subtraction of fractions. So that's the end of our class. So thank you again, grade 3. I will see you again next time. Goodbye, everyone, and stay safe. Bye.